Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, first time ever I have tried this and I have purchased this. This was purchased from Walmart in around $70 if I'm not mistaken. This is extra large 5.2 liters Ninja air fryer. Okay, first time I'm gonna try it. Okay, so wish me all the best and I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you what it has. Okay, first layer open. They have a start guide and some thermocol packaging. Here comes our grand product. I'm gonna take out, and here we go. Okay, I have to take this tape off. Okay, there's another tape on the other side. Makes sense. That's the main action area compartment where I have to put it the things and it. Okay, and I'm gonna plug it in. Now this is start and pause. Okay, and some mode, like you remember 4 modes are given there, so there are 4 modes. We can increase the time from here and we can increase the temperature from there. This is the power button. We can use it. So this is to time up, time down, temperature up, temperature down, and this is gonna tell you what's going on. So, and I have to purchase 2 years of extended warranty too, because definitely for a product like this you must have some warranty, no doubt. 1 year warranty is provided by the manufacturer, but I took 2 years extended to at a very normal price. And Walmart warranty does work. I have claimed for one of the appliances and I did get it reimbursed. Thanks for watching this guys. Let me know what you feel about this product. Thank you.